Hi guys, welcome to Adobe Photoshop tutorial. In this video we talk about the difference between RGB and CMYK color mode. There are types of color mode in Adobe Photoshop, for example RGB, CMYK, grayscale and bitmap, but RGB and CMYK is more useful in many projects. But what is the difference between RGB and CMYK? RGB stands on red, green and blue colors. RGB is based on lights. For example, we can assume that we have three lamps. The one is green, another blue, and third is red. Okay, so now if we want to remove two reddish colors, red colors, or red gradients from my picture, from my project, just we should turn off the red lamp. Or for creating for black color, just we should turn off all of lamps. So RGB is useful for project that will be used in digital screen. For example, if you want to create a picture or create a banner or design everything that will be used in television, in Instagrams, PC, laptops and other digital screens, you should set project on RGB mode. But CMYK stands on cyan, magenta, yellow and black. If you saw printers, you consider that they contains four colors: cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Okay, now I think that the matter is clear for you and it not need more explained. So CMYK is used for projects that will be printed and RGB is used for project that will be used in digital screen. Okay, so be careful before you create a project. Set project color mode and choose the correct color mode: RGB for digital screen and CMYK for project that will be printed. Okay, now let's working on black screens. Now I have few documents. This one is RGB mode and this is a CMYK mode. You can see them. If you want to set this color mode, just hit on image and mode and set the CMYK or RGB mode. Before creating your project, you can use from this area the color mode. Yes, there is a color mode and you can use or you can select every one that you need. Now I create a shape in my RGB documents and color. Okay, color is yellow and you can see that it's very shyness. It's very shyness. Now I move it from RGB documents to CMYK and what's happened? What's happened? You see that the color changed in CMYK and we have a hue color, not based on lights, but RGB is based on lights. So the shapes in these documents will be more shyness rather than this one. Also, if you select the CMYK documents in the layers tab, hit on adjustment and you see that exposure, vibrance and black and white is turned off. They are disabled and you can't select them because CMYK is based on hue colors. But in RGB documents, oh yes, you see that the exposure, vibrance and black and white is able and you can use them. So if you want to design a project for digital screens, before create your project, just set project on RGB. If you want to design a project that will be printed, just before create that, set project on CMYK. Thank you for your watching. I hope see you next video.